Is it a coming wedding, a birthday celebration, a school reunion, post-pregnancy weight gain, or simply weight that piled on over the years because of lack of exercises and a little bit of greedy? There will come a point in many women's time where they would like to regain their curves or even have a better body silhouette than they had before. I'm Dr. Toby from Freia Medical, and I'm here to talk to you about Coolsculpting.
Coolsculpting is a revolutionary new contouring treatment that uses the power of cooling to eliminate stubborn fat the safe, non-surgical way. Developed by Harvard scientists, this contouring treatment is FDA cleared for fat reduction, with proven results seen in clinical studies. You should arrive wearing loose, comfortable clothing. The technician will apply a gel pad to protect your skin. Then the applicator delivers vacuum pressure and cooling to the targeted site. As the applicator pulls the bulge into the cooling panels, you will feel a firm tug and pinching and intense cold. There may initially be some tingling, but this typically subsides as the area gets numb. The fat cells are targeted and cooled, triggering their natural death. And because fat is more sensitive to cold, surrounding tissue and muscles are not affected. Over the course of the next few weeks, your body begins to naturally eliminate the dead fat cells. As the fat cells are eliminated, the remaining cells condense, resulting in an overall reduction of the fat layer.
Coolsculpting engages the original Celtic fat freezing mechanism and has been proven to be one of the leading fat-busting body contouring devices on the current market. Essentially, it fuses fat to the point of elimination, and it will be destroyed and eliminated by the body through natural inflammatory processes. We can customize this to suit whichever silhouette you have, because stubborn pockets of fat are known as stubborn pockets of fat for a reason. They are areas that no matter how much you exercise or how much dietary control you have are really difficult to lose. As you can see, Alice is a pretty normal sized average lady, but there are still pockets of fat which she is keen to remove off, and that's where Coolsculpting comes into play. We must understand that unlike liposuction, which is a debulking procedure of getting rid of a huge amount of fat, Coolsculpting is a body contouring procedure that helps to shape and improve on the silhouette. It will reduce about 20 to 23% of fat cell with one session, which translates to about 1/5 of what is there. So with every session, there can be some improvement. If you are that huge to start with, a fifth is not going to make much of a difference. But if you are quite your ideal size, a fifth is going to give you quite appreciable result. So areas that are called stubborn fat are called stubborn fat for a reason, because no matter how much you exercise or whatever diet you're on, it's just very difficult to remove. Areas that can be treated includes the muffin top, love handles, the bye-bye arm, bra fat, back fat, banana roll, inner thigh, as well as outer thigh. At Freia Medical, we have not one but two Coolsculpting machines. This is to allow us to do dual sculpting, meaning that we can treat two areas consecutively at the same time. This will reduce treatment time required, and better result will be seen in a shorter duration of time. At Freia Medical, we carry the full range of applicator of Coolsculpting to target all your body needs. We have the Cool Max, which actually is for big muffin top. We have our Cool Core and Cool Curve, which are great for the abdomen and the love handles. We have the Cool Mini, which is great for your double chin area and even on the bra fat. And the latest addition is our Cool Advantage Petite applicator. These are for ladies who are really slim, but if you can pinch it, we can freeze it.
The treated fat cells won't come back. In your follow-up visit, your doctor will take after photos so you can really see how effective your Coolsculpting treatment was. You and your doctor will assess your results to determine if you would like to have another treatment on the same area or treat other problem areas. Best of all, your clothes and your confidence will be exactly where you want them. Your little black dress will fit just right. You'll make peace with your two-piece. Your physique in that t-shirt will turn heads again. And those jeans won't be topped off with unwanted bulges of fat. You have the power to get back your swagger. You deserve to look and feel your best without surgery or downtime. It only takes an hour to own your mojo once more. Reclaim the real you with Coolsculpting.
I made. I murder feelings I can't fake. Only lovers put